Yo, TikTok, it's your boy Sly and we're there. Oh, today we're doing some cooking. I out in the garden collecting some stuff. I'm going to make a food. We got plantains. We're going for some cucumber, papaya, and seasoning peppers and stuff. Green seasoning, so we can make a nice little food there today. There. Stay tuned. Watch the whole video and rate the finished dish. All right, big up. Stay me in the garden there. Gonna get my cucumber and thing. I have a nice little piece of cucumber I plant the beer in and stuff for me. I don't give out so much cucumbers already and eat so much cucumbers. Yo, you don't even know. Anyway, that is the beauty of planting. So we can get to eat and to give and to sell. Boom. It's coming like I can't even find a proper cucumber there again. So long I looking. What the hell, eh? Come on. Let's get the cucumber. Anyways, guys, don't forget to check out Sly's Oils and Butters on Google for all your local oils and skincare butters. We're shipping internationally, and if you're in the country, we can get your stuff to you in at any end of the country that you're at. Yeah, we get a nice little cucumber there. I'm gonna go get my papaya and the rest of my seasonings and stuff so I can make a nice little shot. Hey, stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned for the end product. You're all gonna love it. And don't forget, we're gonna teach you how to make some papaya salad today. A lot of people don't know about papaya salad, green papaya salad. So 2 days your day for you to learn about the green papaya salad and how to make it. Stay tuned. We're gonna get our papaya and our seasoning and stuff. We're heading back to the house to start cooking. Boom. Stay tuned. Your boy Sly. For all your nature stuff, follow me up, yo. If you want to see more nature stuff, more nature activities, camping, fishing, and all that sort, just follow me up and you'll see more of that stuff on your FYP. So that is the ingredients there. We have the papaya, we have the plantain, and we have the cucumber and the tuna and the peppers. Papaya is very healthy food for blood pressure, green papaya especially. So stay tuned so you can see how to prepare the salad and you can do it yourself, and stay healthy. Bang. I'm gonna start to prepare my stuff. Yeah, it's time to peel my plantain. Starting off with peeling the plantain and putting the plantain on the fire, because that's the hardest thing. So we have to peel that, put it to boil so it can, by the time everything else ready, the plantain itself ready. So let's go. Peeling that, peel your plantain, put it to boil, wash it and put it to boil. Yeah. And then we're gonna start with the papaya. That is the part that you have to pay attention for, the papaya. So the papaya now, you have to peel your papaya first, and then you're gonna split it open and take out all the seeds inside of it. That's very important. You want to take out all the seeds inside. So after you take out all the seeds inside it, you want to get your grater and start to shred it. Grate on the shred inside, the small shredder side of the grater. You want to use that side and shred the papaya. And you want to add all your seasonings, green seasoning, peppers, size, whatever you have, whatever preferred seasoning that you have that you want to use, you can add to your papaya salad. Alright, so there we have adding all my seasonings, pepper, garlic. I love garlic, so I add plenty garlic. Yeah, everybody have their choice of seasoning. You can add whatever you like. But after that, you just want to add some salt or some oil if you like. If you want oil in your salad, if you want soil, your choice. But my choice is to add some salt. Yeah, and then mix that up, and there you go. You have a nice papaya salad that will help you to regulate your blood sugar, blood pressure levels. Banging. Yeah. If you like the content, if you like the information, follow me up, follow my page for more lovely cooking and outdoor content. Yeah, and I have to taste that for you too. Check, I have to taste that soon to let all you know that it's perfect. That is, oh yeah, everything already. Boom. Okay, so you'll see all that looking nice there. Nice. If you add some side in it, my rest of my seasoning there to saute for my onion, for my tuna. So let me go and do that there rapid. I see plantain on the fire still. Yeah, so sauteing my tuna, my seasoning for my tuna. Put the tuna in that there, boom, bang, and then let that saute a little more, let that fry down, let all the flavor go in the tuna and make that nice. All in already. Yeah. Would you let me cook for you? I really want to know, would you let me cook for you? Bring me in your kitchen. Yeah, man, you wouldn't regret it. Hey, stay tuned for the final part, last part of this video. You're gonna love it.
Okay.
Wait a second. Listen, are you excited to see the end result?
Okay.
I hope all you're excited. I hope all you're ready to see the end result of my ital. Some plantain, well hot and nice. See how soft that be? And nice and soft, you know. See that? I don't know about that. Okay, boom. Some cucumber there. Some cucumber. Some people like their cucumber great, boy. I like my cucumber slice. So when you're doing it, you can do it how you want. See some thick slice I have there. You don't need to cut that like that. I like it so. You don't have to do that so. You can do it how you want. But the papaya, you must grate the papaya. You must. It's a must. You have to do it. You cannot do it no other way but grate it. Okay, people? And that's my recipe. Follow the recipe and you'll get it done just like mine. If you don't follow the recipe, too bad for you. I can't help you. Now the tuna. Yes. Look at this. We can't end the video without a taste test. Check so. Yeah. Come and give all you like a taste test there. Oh, that's soft and nice. What? See how soft that be, guys? I'm gonna crush that for you to see. You see how soft that plantain be? See, man. This is the tuna. Banging. What the more ass? Fuck that fly there now. Yeah. Don't fuck with me. Don't make your woman come around me. Sticking that. Anyways, we're not ready. Healthy vibes. Plantain, papaya, tuna, a little codfish, a little piece of plantain. Follow me for more awesome content.